Welcome to Deroko Technology. There is the inventor, Roxanne Kojo Debra. I am talking to you right now. Today, we are going to talk about the function of this powerful device called the spider sensor across the world. It prevents electrocution. When they say, or people are saying, or I am saying, this device prevents electrocution, what do I mean? Let's get it clear from here. When a danger device is being plugged in any socket, this device will create an awareness so that you will know that this device is faulty. So I will not touch my hand with it. Let me make an example like I have on a faulty device that leaks current. Clearly, when I on the device, this device will prompt me immediately that the device being plugged on the socket leaks current. So you're supposed to be careful. And with the help of that, this device is able to prevent electrocution. So right now, with the help of this device, human being cannot be electrocuted. At the same time, the earth also cannot be electrocuted. So right now, the earth is safe from electrocution. Human beings are also safe from electrocution. And the powerful ships on the sea, which electrocute the sharks and the blue whales, etc., organisms living in the aquatic habitat, they will also be saved. Clearly. So when we talk of it, this device prevents electrocution, there is a clear example of this device, how it performs its function. So we need to off it because it creates awareness for us to know that this specific device is being leakages of current or dangers. It prevents fire outbreak. There is another point. Let's get closer. Can this device prevent fire outbreak? Yes, it is. This device can prevent fire outbreak. Clearly. How can that be possible that this device is capable to prevent fire outbreak? Let me tell you. Every device on earth have a lifespan. And this lifespan of a device will depend upon the fluctuation of current flow. This will let the device be faulty or leaks current. Let me say a device, a running coil device can be overheated, and this will bend the insulators in it to leak current. So when two devices leaks current, it collide. That is not the live and the neutral that collide to trigger off the distribution of board. Talking of the breaker in the distribution board. By it is live and live. The red phase and the yellow phase do not meet. The yellow phase and the blue phase do not meet. Although they are all current that flow, live current, but they do not meet. That is why we have three-phase devices and we have a single phase. Single-phase devices comprise of the live and the neutral, and three-phase devices comprise of the yellow phase, the red phase, and the blue phase. Implications that we combine them to perform their functions. They work separately. They do not work together. They work separately. So when we talk of how can this device prevent fire outbreak, when a faulty device is plugged in here and another faulty device is plugged in on the blue phase, they collide to burn the main distribution board. But here is the case that this device will protect every device simultaneously. The spider sensor will protect every single device when it leaks current, it will create awareness and also protect it from other devices in the socket. So you may be a landlord and someone will plug something, a faulty device in his room, in his or her room, and you get the signal. The person also will get the signal that the device that I plugged on is faulty. It can catch fire. By the whole system will be protected by using this powerful AI device called the spider sensor. So I'll clearly tell you that we are all safe. We are all safe. Because when this device is on, a faulty device is on, and it does not leak current to the Ethernet system, the whole Ethernet system is being protected, then we are safe, clearly. Number 3, protect the environment from natural disasters. What do I mean that this device can protect the earth from natural disasters? The reason why I am saying this is that the earth we are living on it contain many minerals, hydrogen, helium, lithium, and other stuff. Many minerals. And when this Ethernet system leaks current and a diameter or a radius of, let me say, 5 meters, it generates heat around this tender rod. And when it generates heat, what does it mean? It means it is evaporating natural mineral from the soil by generating higher excessive heat. With the help of this powerful device, this device will only protect the earth but generates the neutral power from the ground to convert it to neutral power to support your neutral cable. So you will be safe. All of us will be safe by using this device to protect ourselves and the land in which we live. And let me tell you this thing. The earth generates a magnetic field. I'm talking of the neutral power to compete with the sun, the UV radiation, so that it will create a magnetic field. This magnetic field holds the clouds in the filament. This magnetic field generated by the earth, I'm talking of the neutral and the light from the sun, this collide and create a highly magnetic field, of which right now we have seen clearly that we are working against the magnetic field. The solar panels is weakening the magnetic field of the earth. It's clear. That's why the world is recording excess heat in the atmosphere on earth. This device is capable of protecting the earth from the dams, from plants, from every current source. This device will protect us. When we talk of that, we will be safe, because when there is a leakage of current, you can see clearly that it will not affect the Ethernet system, because the Ethernet system is connected to this device. Clearly, it is connected to this device. It is connected to this device. Let me off it. It reduces radiation from indirect leaks of current. I am at my kitchen cooking and I am making calls. The calls I am making, when there is leakages of current or leakages of device being faulty, when there is lightning or when there is a gas, it can lead to explosion. It can lead totally to explosion. That is why when you go to filling station, they will tell you that you cannot use phone closer to the pumping machine. That is the secret. Because the devices there can leak current that can generate radiation. But when you work on calling someone at that place, you have increased the radiation. This leads to explosion of filling station and other stuffs. Many people will have explosion of gases in their kitchen, in their workplaces. This is the leaks of current. Because when a container containing gas is connected with electricity, then the gas is easily to be explode. It does not matter the type of container the gas is in, it will definitely explode. So when I tell you that this device protects us or prevents radiation, reduces radiation, it means the heat the earth is facing by the tender rod. Calculate the total number of tender rods in the world. Calculate it. Every house have more than 5 tender rod nip in the soil. And when this leaks current, it generates excessive heat. It makes the earth unable to generate the neutral power to make the life balance. Clearly, you can see that with the help of this device, the whole world is safe from radiation. And the earth also is safe. Every living organism is also safe from all dangers. Clearly. So, when I tell you that when a device being faulty leaks current, this device will help prevent that device from electrocution, prevent it from fire outbreak, prevent radiation. That is talking of leakages of current, generate radiation. Because some of our iron sheets that protect the roofing also electrifies. This generates excessive radiation in the atmosphere. Safeguard human, animals, and the aquatic habitat. When we talk of this device will safeguard humans, animals, and the aquatic habitat, I was first talking of how this device will be protective to the aquatic habitat. Those people using the powerful cargo ships on the sea, supposed to protect the living organisms in the sea. I'm talking of the aquatic habitat because many people, many sea creatures are dying. Many sea creatures are dying, and they need to be protected. They perform a specific role on Earth, so they need to be protected. So when I tell you that, how are they going to be protected? Every ship, every submarine operating on the sea supposed to get this device, or else you are not supposed to operate, because this device will let and identify every problem in the ship and also protect leakages of current to make sure that every living organism in the aquatic habitat will be safe. When we talk of this device will protect a human being, except a fire outbreak caused by electricity will be protected from by this device. How can that be possible? It protects every device simultaneously. So when the device lifespan ends and it leaks current and it is about to explode, this device will give you the notification of that dangerous. And this device will support you not to touch yourself with any device being faulty. That can shock you, electrocute you to death. Many people are dying in the swimming pool, in the bathhouse, and other stuffs due to the electrification of the leakages of current that comes from unknown devices. Now, I can plainly tell you that when this device is being produced in mass production, we have a company to help us produce this device in mass production. The day everyone on earth will get this type of device, that is the day they will witness that, hey, we are now protected. Look at this device was faulty. Look at this device was faulty. All because they don't know it yet. No device is there to identify such kind of devices at your house. But with the help of this spider sensor, you will know that your filling station is about to burn. You will know that your house, your property is about to burn. By any device that attempt to leak current, this device will let you know. Protect transformers from exploding and the dam not to compete with the soil. When we talk of these devices protecting the dam or protecting transformers not to be explode, we mean that when the earth generates the neutral field, I'm talking of the neutral power, and there is a leakage of current, the tender rod electrifies. So when the tender rod electrifies, it competes with the soil. I'm talking of the neutral path. So this device will eliminate such kind of problem by protecting the earth not to be electrocuted. This will protect the transformers from exploding. We have had many cases that transformer is being exploded or transformer is set up on fire. We can protect all transformers by this device. So right now, I can plainly tell you that the dam cannot compete with the soil now again because there is a protective agent here. A protective agent here to protect the earth from electrocution. Okay. Enhances the earth neutral energy to strengthen the ozone layer and generate robust magnetic field. Clearly, the earth also has a major role to play. Talking of the sea, soil, and the wind combined together generate a neutral power. That neutral power hold the magnetic field. I'm talking of the UV radiation from the sun competing with the soil neutral. It can help protect us from the UV radiation. So with the dam electrocuting the soil, the earth cannot generate this magnetic field. I'm talking of the neutral power to support the ozone layer. But with the help of the powerful AI device called the spider sensor, it will help the earth to be protected. I'm talking of the earth not to be electrocuted so that the earth can generate its neutral power to save our earth from the UV radiation. Enhances the earth. Prevent electrocution current leaks around devices. When any device is being faulty, this device will create an awareness within a second by not allowing this device being faulty to leak current around to electrify other devices. So when there is alarm or a signal that there is faulty device, see to it that when that device is being unplugged, then your whole system is safe from being electrocuted, meaning that it will protect other devices from this same distribution board. Generate a protective neutral field from the ground, safeguard devices during lightning. This device serves as tender arrestor because it generates a higher neutral field to contact with your neutral power to generate a protective neutral for your device. So when there is lightning or a storm, you are safe. Even when your device is on, you are safe because this device will not allow the lightning to set fire or endanger your devices at your house place. Maintain balance between neutral and live electrical current to prevent device faulty. At some time, we can see to it that the live cable may be, let me say, 240 volt, and the neutral will reduce to 190 or 180. This makes the current flow imbalance. This creates current fluctuations that can lead device to be faulty. So with the help of this powerful device, this device will regulate the current to make sure that there is a balance of current to your device so that your device will be satisfied by the electrical current that passes through. Prevent electricity from evaporating natural minerals in the soil during sunlight exposure. I've already said something about that. The earth contains minerals. Helium, lithium, beryllium, carbon, nitrogen are found in the soil also. So when this device protects us from electrocuting the ground, these natural minerals will not evaporate in the soil to create air pollution and other stuffs. Rapidly detect potential dangers within seconds to raise awareness. Immediately you plug something on the socket and you turn it on. Seconds, you get notification that the device being plugged in the socket is endangered or it leaks current. It is faulty. So rapidly, it creates an awareness fast within a second. It will create that awareness for you to be safe and protected. Support accurate meter reading to prevent unnecessary billing increment. Many people are complaining that my bill is continuously increasing, of which I don't know the gadgets I use. Normally, I use only one fridge, TV, and other stuff. By the way the bills keep on increasing, I don't understand. Let me tell you clearly that leakages of current create such kind of increment of meter reading. When I plug on a device and the device leaks current, know that you have plugged two devices, because the current being charged at from the device will also be charged from the competing of the tender rod to the soil. Excuse me. Competing the tender rod to the soil, meaning that leakages of current also generate excessive bill increment. Excessive bill increment. I am talking particularly when your device is faulty, when your device leaks current, you are not safe. It will continue to increase your electricity bills and other stuffs. Mitigate heat generated by electrical current. We are recording heat in the atmosphere. Across globe, we are recording heat. This heat that we are recording is generated from the dams, from every devices we use, because it creates radiation. And right now, what has worsening the case is the solar system. I'm talking of the solar panel. Generate excessive heat in the atmosphere and also weakens the ozone layer. The Earth magnetic field is being weakened by this what do you call it? Solar panels, because it generates excessive heat and radiation in the atmosphere. Our electrical cars also generate excessive heat, because the cell phone we are complaining right now, we are also complaining of the electrical cars. The clean and renewable energy source that we are talking of will destroy everything we are using in the system. Mitigate heat by electrical current, meaning that without this device, no one is safe on earth. Thank you.